I'm one of the founders of Cantrell Asbury Crans. The firm focuses predominantly on business disputes and employment matters. This makes us specialists. We're not just generalists, and this puts us in a position to address our clients' problems competently. I have the best job in the world. I get to help real people solve real problems. Since the start of the firm, we've had one mission: to provide excellent legal services for good. We don't take anything that walks through the door. We make sure that we have the skills to complete a matter and also that we believe in the case and the cause that we're fighting for. In short, you're never going to see us try to enforce a non-compete against a janitor. That's not in our DNA. It might work for some firms, but that's not what we do here. Everything that we do at the firm is focused on the mission. Top to bottom, everyone understands, everyone gets it, everybody's on board. No client of ours is too big or too small. Each client gets our full attention and true white glove service. When you're a Cantrell Asbury Crans client, you aren't just a number. You're treated like family. We handle your matters as if you were one of our family members. My practice is largely focused on employment and complex commercial litigation. I represent employees, whether individually or as part of a larger group, entrepreneurs, as well as businesses, both small and large. When I sit down with a client, I understand that what they're bringing to me is usually a major life or business event for them. Because of that, I approach each matter with empathy as if it were my own or one of my family members' matters. Prior to starting law school, I was a member of the University of Alabama women's varsity rowing team. This involved 20 hours of practice a week, largely completed before 6:30 in the morning. Every detail of every race was methodically and carefully planned through to give the Tide its best shot at winning. I approach my cases largely the same way. From the beginning of a case, I sit down with my client and I carefully listen, not just to the facts or to get them through the door to get them to sign up, but I want to make sure that I understand their true objective so that I can sit down with them and use my legal expertise and knowledge of their facts to chart a legal strategy that's going to give them the best shot at winning. Throughout the life cycle of the case, we continue to check in with the strategy and the course that we've charted. We want to make sure that we're altering where it's needed, but that we're keeping focused and that we never lose sight of the client's ultimate goal. I think this is what separates myself and my colleagues from a lot of lawyers and law firms out there. We don't just churn files. We aren't billing hours for the sake of billing hours. Every move that we make is carefully calculated to get you from where you are to where you want to be. I truly love what I do because I get to make a difference in people's lives every day.